So in this lesson, we are going to create an online test in Citrex. So once I'm logged in from my teacher's account, I'll click on the online classwork and I will add a new lecture. I'll name it English Test 2020, May 2020, and a bit of description. This is an online test. Please complete it and submit it before the time ends. Save. And it's going to ask me about the details of the visibility and about the description, and so I'm going to make it visible on a particular date and at a particular time. So I want this to be visible on the 11th of May at 11 a.m. So I'll make it 11 a.m. Make sure that this time is correct, because this is a 24-hour clock. There's no AM or PM. So if you want to select 1 PM or 3 PM, then it has to be 1300 hours or 1500 hours. So be careful with that. And then I'm going to add a graded assignment. I'm going to name it English Test for grade 6, and I'm going to add a description. Answer all questions and submit back within the time specified. This is a graded test. I'll make it 20 marks. Passing marks are 50%. The due date of this again is 11 at I'll make it for 1 hour, so make it 12 PM, and after that I'll show the visibility is shown. Sort order, just make it default, and I will choose the file that I want to. This is the file, and I click save. So this file is uploaded. Next I need to assign it to my class, so I'll do it to 6A, and I will click, just double check again about the show on date. So this is going to be on the 11th of May at 11 a.m. So I'll click save. Now this lesson will become visible to the students, to this class, at 11 a.m. on Monday. Okay, now that we have created the test, the next thing is to inform all students to come online and do it. We set our test time for 11 a.m. So inform all students to come online at least 15 minutes before the test. That's 10:45. Students need to be clearly informed that they should turn on their cameras. In case they have cameras in their phones, they can switch on to Zoom from their phones and point the camera towards their face. In the video, you can see some students are looking directly into the screen. These are the students who are using Zoom on their computers. Some students with the side view have switched on Zoom from their phones while they attempt the test on computer. Either way is fine. Before the test is started, please make sure that in the Zoom security settings, all student mics are on mute, all screen sharing is disabled, and students are not allowed to rename themselves. Ask all students to log in to their Citrex accounts and go in online classes. Exactly at 11 a.m. the test will become visible to them. Once it is visible, they can start attempting it. Keep monitoring the students. If you have more than 15 in the class, it is recommended that you add another teacher as an invigilator. You can divide the screens. One teacher can view on the first 15 and the second teacher on the second 15. Make sure that the students are looking towards the screen or on paper in case they are writing. Once they are done, they can submit their work back by uploading it. The system will automatically shut down all submissions at 12 PM, which was the submission time that we had set earlier. You can check all the submissions in the assignment submission part of Citrex. Once all students are done, you can ask students to switch off Zoom and log out of Citrex. Make sure to make the visibility of the test hidden once the test is complete. So basically that is how you conduct an online test on Citrex.